Modern art, shifting perspectives and new ideas. Modern art refers to the artistic movements and styles that emerged roughly from the late 19th century to the mid-20th century. It marked a break from traditional artistic practices and embraced new ways of thinking, creating, and viewing the world. This period saw the rise of movements like Impressionism, Cubism, Surrealism, and Abstract Expressionism, all of which challenged conventional notions of representation, reality, and art itself. Artists like Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, and Wassily Kandinsky experimented with abstraction, color, and form, moving away from the strict rules of perspective and naturalism. Modern art sought to reflect the rapidly changing world, focusing on inner experiences, emotions, and the subconscious. It questioned the boundaries between art and life, often emphasizing individuality, experimentation, and the expression of personal and cultural identity. Modern art continues to evolve, influencing contemporary practices and providing new ways of interpreting the world, encouraging us to see beyond the surface and embrace creativity in all its forms.